Hi friends, good morning all of you. This is my new videos on on topic planning process or steps involved in the planning process or component of farm business plan. In this video, I will cover this topic. In my last video, I have already covered the some important concept of planning definition of planning, meaning of planning, characteristics, advantages of planning. I will cover in last topic. So last videos. In this video, I will cover the planning steps in planning process. Firstly, see the some important concept for rules, programs, and budget. What is the rule? Rules are frequently confused with the policies and procedures. A rule that can reflect the managerial decisions or certain actions are taken or not to be taken. That is rules. The next rule are acquired to specific and definite actions to be taken or not taken with the respect of situation. The next program are the complex of a goal, policies, rules, task, assignment, steps are be taken. Program in short, the some complex of the goals, policies, rule, task, assignment. Those are the different types of programs. Employment, course of action are ordinarily supported by the necessary capitals of operating budget. The next point, budget. It is the plan of statement of expected rules expressed in the numerical terms. It may be referred as a numerized program. Budget means what? Numerized program. In financial operation, budget is also called as the profit plan, or it may be expressed in the term of labor hours, unit per hours, machine per hours. Budget means what? It is the numerical program, or it can shown in the or it can express in the form of, for example, labor per hours, unit of product, machine per hours. Those are the it is the fundamental planning instrument in may companies because of force degree of definite in the planning. Budget means it is the expected result expressed in the numerical terms. We can show the expected result of your firm or businesses in the numerical term is called as a budget. The next or important point is steps in the planning process. There are six steps involved in the planning process. First, gathering of fact, analyzing, forecasting, setting up goals, alternatives, evaluation, progress. Those are the six important steps in the planning process. We can see one by one. First step is the gathering. Gathering of fact. In this step, gathering of fact and information has been dubbed. It is the first steps of planning process. Even through information of gathering or constant recurring part of planning process. Means what? Collecting the some information. Collect the some information to identify needs of plan in a first place. Means what? In this first place, we can collect the some information or collect the information for require the planning. Then systematic gathering and specific fact needed make plan work once has been decided upon. Then next in this planning process, firstly collect information, then systematically collect and specific order to carry out the work. Then second process or second steps is planning process, analyzing of the fact. Analyzing what is the situation is the what problems are involved. Analysis are existing the operations of the firm business. In analysis of the fact, the process analyzing fact. In this process, answer such questions. For example, where we are, how did you get here, means it help pinpoint to existing problems and opportunities. Means collect the in first steps we can collect information, and in this step we can analyze this information or solve or existing the problems and opportunities and provide the framework which helpful or successful decision. Or analysis of the fact, it will be prevent to making a foolish mistakes and allow to we we set for use the and organization resources. Means we can reduce the risk or reduce the our mistakes. We can analyze or collect the some information, analyze the fact, we can reduce the some future risk or mistakes. Then third one is the forecasting changes. Third steps of planning process is forecasting changes. In this step, forecasting changes in ultimate step of good planning. It has been truthfully said that about the determine the what the futures hold to highest form of the management skill. In this step, forecasting manager can hold the some highest form of determine ability to set the truly the manager associated with organizational leaders can the ability of the stability increase or ability or stability increase. No one can predict our future business, while no one can be expected or predict the accurately future development. So manager can availability of the forecasting changes or availability of the our business changes in future risk. This forecasting change not is it is not guessing game. Okay, it is based on the hard discipline through the approach of the planning. Means it is not guessing game. Why, how it can be predicted for in future business. So it is the based on the hard work discipline through the approach of the planning. So we can availability or changes, some changes can maybe available in future. The next step is the setting of goals and result. In this step, manager or specialist consider setting a goals in the first step or planning process. We can achieve the goals or way in the go way to the correct way for present division in the planning step. It seems that formulation of information part of a goal settings. All the process of all this process of going the continuously to the in the planning. Goal cannot be set in the vacuum. It must be related to the attainable. Means we can setting the goals in first step and we can find out our result. What we can expected or what we can fact in the result. This is the first step of the planning. The next development alternatives. In the fifth step, we can after goal has been set. In the fourth step or last step, we can set our goals and result. Then in this step, we can alternative course of action must be developed. After setting up the goals or finding the result, we can develop the some alternatives or course of action must be developed that agribusiness managers must be explore to different way for getting a feather they want to be go. And last step is the evaluation of progress. In this step, we can evaluate our surveillance or checking the progress of our business by the manager specialist to be one of the highest probability. Evaluation show the whether plan is the course or alert to the analysis of new information, discovery of new opportunities. Or we can evaluate or check out our setting goals and result of the firm. Okay, thank you. I hope you can understand betterly in these videos.